next month we're going to be talking about network marketing. Okay, now the reason I want to talk about this is because every single one of you joined this business for a reason. Alright, possibly it was because you want to earn an extra income. Maybe it was because you saw an opportunity and you wanted to make a lot of money. Maybe you've been in the business a while, but you still don't fully understand the network marketing philosophy. Or possibly you've got wrapped up in retail and you're now wanting to look at maybe building a business and you want to be a leader. You don't just want to be building your own business, possibly you want to be a driving instructor and you want to learn how to teach other people. Now, not everybody is cut out to teach, okay? But I should say everybody can teach, but they have to be taught how to teach. And not everybody is taught how to teach. So in order to build a successful network marketing business, whether this be Clean Easy Herbalife, FLP, Oriflame, whatever, every single person that joins a network marketing business needs some certain skills. And those skills will get them from where they are to where they want to be. And that where you want to be might be earning that £3,000-4,000 a month or more. It might be having a team of successful people. It might be that you don't want to be the hub of your business, that you've got a business growing around you, whether you work it or not. But the only way that's going to actually work is if you have independent people all following a duplicatable system. That's where network marketing sets aside from most businesses. Every business has a successful system. A franchise is a successful system, but somebody's had to teach that system and not everybody's willing to. Okay? So what are the needs of somebody who wants to get from where they are to where they want to be? First of all, they need confidence. Without confidence, people aren't going to be able to build a reliable business that they can teach to other people. Without confidence, you don't even think that you can teach other people. Without confidence, you may not feel that you can actually do it yourself. So something that everybody needs in order to be successful at network marketing is confidence. They also need direction. So many people go to workshops and events, especially the ones that show lifestyle. The ones that show what you can get out of this industry, the things that show you the future that's available to you. But then they walk out of that seminar and they've no direction. How do I get there? How do I get from where I am today in tons of debt or struggling with a job or just being made redundant? How do I get from where I am to this lifestyle and these dreams that these people have just sold to me? How do I do that? And what's the direction I head in? Once you actually have some kind of clear roadmap of where you're going and how you're going to get there, you need to know that you're also making progress. Okay? Are the actions that you're taking moving you along that road? Are the actions that you're teaching your team moving them along that road? Are they going in the right direction? So one of the other things you need to know is that you're making progress. And obviously the whole point of network marketing is that you have that help, support and training, and being able to offer that help, support and training to other people. One of the biggest reasons that people don't sponsor is because they believe they have to teach other people what to do. That's when you get people joining saying, I'll start sponsoring once I know what I'm doing. I'll start sponsoring when I'm making £1,000 a month. What they don't realise is they won't make £1,000 a month until they start sponsoring. But they don't have that confidence because they don't believe that, one, they can offer that support, and two, maybe they're not even getting the right support themselves. And finally, it's the reason why. It comes finally, but it is the most important thing, because that reason why is what pulls you in the direction you want to go. It's what drives you along. So without those needs, people aren't going to build a successful network marketing business. So how do we deal with confidence? We start with creating yourself. Okay? We start with being able to not only create yourself and grow yourself, but also creating your business. We deal with direction by optimizing your vehicle. Every network marketing business is built around a skeleton. We will give you that framework. It's up to you as leaders to put the meat on the bone. Retailing, for example, in our business, it doesn't matter whether you put out catalogues for 24 hours a day or whether you put out catalogues for 48 hours. Some people say 48, some say 24, but you know what? Both work. That's just the meat on the bones. You're still putting out the catalogues. Or you're posting ads on Facebook, or you're promoting your product through social media, or you're doing something. It doesn't matter, the nitty-gritty doesn't matter. The point is you need to be promoting your product one way or another. That's the scale. You need to be accountable. If you want to make progress, you need accountability. You need to know that what you're doing is taking you in the right direction. And support comes from not only being able to be coached, but by coaching others as well. And your reason why comes from knowing your horizon, where it is you're going and what's your purpose. Okay? So what I'm doing is on the 1st of April, I am doing the Network Coach Creator. The things that we will go into are the 6 P's of horizon. First of all, how to find out your purpose, what it is that you want, and how to clearly define it so that you can move towards something. We will deal with creating yourself, which deals with a constant and never-ending attitude. Okay? And obviously there's other stuff that we'll cover as well. Optimizing your vehicle. Not only going from your vision, but all the way through the system, what's involved in building a network marketing business, so that you can start putting the meat on your bones and teaching that to your teams. We'll also go through accountability, tracking and ratios. We'll go through coaching others and what's involved in coaching and how to become a coach. And once you've learned all that, you'll become a network coach creator. So not only will you be able to build your own network by knowing the fundamentals, you'll also be able to teach it to your team and have your own duplicatable system. Okay. So if anyone's interested in that, that is on the 1st of April. It's entirely up to each individual. You know, if anyone wants to come to that, it's £12.50. Friends of Bev Inc. is £8.50. If you're interested in becoming a subscriber or a friend of Bev Inc., you're more than welcome. You don't have to, we're not bothered. But if you want the same help, support and training that our own personal team gets, access to the materials, the videos and everything else, that's £2 a week or £8 a month. If you apply what you learn and teach it to your teams, you should make a damn sight more than £8 a month from it.